We're landing in Nashville. Here we go. Can you hear the noise of the plane? The engines. Down there. Is it?
Yeah, it's like 9:33.
Nice. So we're early. Then the car should be okay?
Yeah, they don't close till 11. But they have my flight.
Nice.
That's why Hertz took it. Because they knew what time my flight was coming.
Yeah, Hertz was good. Because they're good because they have all the other. Here's the dark. We're gonna hit the ground now.
Oh.
We hit the ground.
Dang, I didn't think.
That's why I said we're gonna hit the ground. Yay! Woo! That was
kind of
scary.
Hi, baby.
I predicted correctly. Oh no!
Thank you for taking off my hands for a minute.
Look at what we got here, guys.
Where's your mama?
Terry's new passenger.
Look at.
What's the dog's name?
What's the dog's name? Bentley. Oh, look at Bentley. He says, where's my mama? You're like
That's
my
a cool
dogs.
name.
You're like my
We got
dogs.
Bentley on with us. We didn't even know.
Look at. I like him. He is too cute.
I wonder if he wants to come with us.
He's too cute. Oh,
So we got a new passenger named Bentley. All right,
Do you smell my candy?
here we go.
Do you smell my candy? And the dog. He probably smells my dog.
We hit the ground, baby. You all witnessed it.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nashville. Approximate local time is 9:35. Remain seated with seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, keeping the aisleways clear of all carry-on items. In an effort to create more space between customers on board this aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting from the front of the aircraft towards the back. We ask everyone to remain seated until the row in front of you is clear to prevent crowding in the aisleways. Take a quick moment, check the seat back pocket for any personal articles like tablets, cell phones, and passports. When you do open up the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone.
Terry
On
loves
behalf of your
Bentley.
entire flight crew, thank you for flying with us.
Terry found a new love.
Have a nice day in the Nashville area. We're final destination take show.
I feel an accent coming on. Hey, Bentley. I got Bentley, man.
Where's your mama? Where's your mama?
Many thanks and have a pleasant week.
Look at him. He's funny. He is too funny. Look at him. He's like up there saying, where's she at, man? Where's she at?
Yeah, you're like the best.
I have a schnauzer and pug, so I have. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, and mine do the same thing. Oh my gosh. I can't. Did you really? We go to Prescott every 6 months, January and July for our Bible conference. Yeah, you like it there. Oh yeah.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. You got to meet Bentley.
The door, the
Leave a comment.